And the big breaking news update just coming in. As far as the Asia Cup finals is concerned, it's a big win for the men in blue. India has won the Asia Cup final 2023 by 10 wickets after the magnificent performance by the Indian bowlers, not to forget Mohammad Siraj and his contribution. Karishma, over to you. Take it away. Talk to us about the key highlights. It was just a 51-run chase for Team India, and without a single wicket having lost, the men in blue have won the Asia Cup 2023 title.
Well, it's absolutely just took 6.1 overs for Ishan Kishan and Shubman Gill together to win the Asia Cup for the Indian team. But the real winner here, Kritsween, is of course Mohammad Siraj, who took 6 wickets today. 4 wickets in 1 over, and this is something that he's of course going to remember for the rest of his life, for the rest of his career, and something that the entire country also going to remember, because in that 1 over itself he won the match for India. This was a very, very below par performance from Sri Lanka, scoring just 50, but Indian team today, especially the Indian bowling lineup, on fire. Sensational performance. If we talk about Mohammad Siraj, then Jasprit Bumrah also taking 1 wicket, and Hardik Pandya picking up 3 wickets, which is a very, very good sign for the Indian team, because remember, we are now going to shift focus to the World Cup. We are going to transition into World Cup mode. So going into that, Rohit Sharma and Rahul Dravid are going to be very, very happy today to see how the team has performed, won the Asia Cup. So this is going to be a very, very high confidence booster for the Indian team, for the men in blue, going ahead with the series against Australia, and then of course the Cricket World Cup.
Absolutely. And from where Team India left, as far as their face-off with Bangladesh is concerned, nearly losing by a 6-run margin, this certainly is a big, big boost coming in. Like you said, the timing couldn't have been better, just ahead of the commencement of the World Cup.
Well, it's absolutely. And, when we're talking about that match versus Bangladesh, we also have to factor in a lot of things. Team India has been playing back-to-back matches because of rain in Colombo. There have been interruptions as well. One ODI has lasted 2 days. So there was, of course, a bit of fatigue and exhaustion as well, as far as the Indian team is concerned. But yes, the loss against Bangladesh was a little shocking as far as the Indian team is concerned. But they have bounced back, and this is what is expected of the Indian team. Bouncing back, and how Mohammad Siraj completely sensational.
Well, impeccable performance in the final against Sri Lanka, once again showcasing India's cricket prowess. Stay on with us, Karishma. Lots of fans, of course, reacting to the big victory. Listen in.
Hey, India, Sri Lanka.
Eight trophy, very happy, 8th trophy.
और हमको क्या बोलना चाहिए, वो हमारा कंट्री वो अच्छा से नहीं खेला, कोई भी हमारा कंट्री पूरा टाइम अच्छा है, और क्या करेगा अभी, हाँ, ओके.
Congratulations to India. Congratulations to India. We never expect this much big margin they're gonna win. Which channel?
Karishma continues to stay on with us. People are almost caught by surprise, Karishma. They never thought India is going to have to chase a mere 51. But what really worked out for India as far as their lineup is concerned, their bowling attack is concerned, we're not going to forget Mohammad Siraj's contribution for a long, long time. But apart from that, what really worked out for us?
Well, Kritsween, today we have to talk about the bowling lineup. Of course, it was started by Jasprit Bumrah when he picked up the wicket, but then Mohammad Siraj completely destroying. It was annihilation of the Sri Lankan batting order today. They did not meet any expectations. Of course, everyone was hoping that India is going to win the Asia Cup, but the way that they have done it, Sri Lanka all out for just 15.2 overs, and then India going on to win it in just 6.1 overs is something that nobody would have thought of when the Asia Cup started, because there was a lot of rain delays in this Asia Cup. But what has stood out is the fact that the Indian team has not given up. They've had a loss versus Bangladesh, but they decided to bounce back, and this is how they have decided to bounce back. And this is going to be a very, very good step forward as far as mental toughness is also concerned, because like I said, World Cup is going to be very, very important for the Indian team. The expectations are of what MS Dhoni did in 2011 is going to be what the expectation from Rohit Sharma is going to be. So going forward, this is going to be a huge confidence booster for the Indian team, and one can only pray and hope that this momentum is what keeps them going and the bowling lineup can continue to fire the way they did today versus Sri Lanka.
Absolutely. Several challenges that came in the way of Team India, like you said, several matches that ended up going to the reserve day given the rain situation. Despite that, India has come out strong, and it's for everyone to see today. The timing of it all, most crucial. Many thanks, Karishma. India wins the Asia Cup 2023 title by 10 wickets against Sri Lanka. They had to chase just 51 runs to claim the title.